Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. My name is Susana and today we are customizing a menu price list. Now with this template you are going to receive 3 different sizes with your purchase, and that includes the Spanish version and the English. So you will receive 8.5 by 11, 4 by 9, and a 5 by 7. So this is the English version here, and below is the Spanish. Now please remember that these are double-sided, and you'll be able to see that in a few minutes here. Now let me mention the things you can't do on this template. You cannot change the size and orientation, and you cannot change the color of the artwork. So let me point out the artwork for you. The artwork here would be this section right here. Now this is locked, so I don't make a mistake and move it. If you want to unlock it, you go to the top right and click unlock, and now you can move that section. You cannot change the color of this piece right here, this one, and the color of the social media icons. They are black, so that color cannot be changed. Everything else on the template can be modified. So this one that we're customizing or making changes to is a 8.5 by 11. So this is the front and this is the back side. You will also receive the Spanish version, which is below. So this is the front and the back. And you also have your social media icons that come with your purchase. On this template, you can change the color of the background. You can change this is grouped here. If you want to ungroup it, you go to the top right and click ungroup, and that will allow you to move each section on its own. So if you want to change any text, so you click on it and you can change the font type, the color, and the size. And that goes for all the text within the template itself. And just to edit, just click on the section you want to change. All the section here is grouped. That allows you to move everything at once. If you want to ungroup it, just go to the top right and click ungroup. And now you can select each section on its own. Down below, you also just click on it and make the changes you would like. The social media icons are grouped. So again, you go to the top right and click ungroup, and now you can select each one on its own. So here, this is a placeholder. You would want to just go ahead and delete this section and upload your logo. So let's do that right now. So I would click on my logo. And just place it there. If for any reason you have a logo with the background like this one, what you want to do is click on Elements, scroll down, select this option here, the circle, under the Frames category, and just click and drag your logo, and now it's going to look nice. And there you go. You have the back side of the template here. Again, you cannot change the artwork here. However, you can make it larger or smaller if you wish, or lock it so you don't move it by mistake. Here you want to get rid of this section and upload your logo. So you can do is just copy, paste it, and make it larger. Center it and just make the changes here according to your business. You have the Spanish version below. Again, this section right here, you cannot change. And you have the back side of the Spanish. And again, your social media icons. If you guys have any questions on this template, please let me know. On my website, I have chat available, so I would be able to answer your questions ASAP. Thank you for watching this video, and you guys have a fabulous day.